Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam, and khamma gani to all of you. Welcome to today's session. And as you all know, this is your sprint tech series for grade 10th. And today we are starting areas related to circles. So, guys, as you all know, till now we have finished the topic up to trigonometry, and we'll be starting with areas related to circles. So, if you know the schedule, right? So, this is the second last session. There is one more session left, that is of probability, and with that, we'll be done with this what to say sprint X series, right? So we have revised each and every topic of your term one, and today in areas related to circles, we have areas and perimeter of a circle. We know the formula. Area of a circle is pi r square, perimeter is 2 pi r, right? Area is pi r square, perimeter is 2 pi r. Then areas of sectors of a circle. So what will the area of sector of a circle? Remember, theta by 360 into pi r square, right? Area of segment, remember that extra triangle area we need to remove. So we know area of segment minus area of triangle, and combination of plane figures. So we need to see that what kind of figures are combined, and there I have told you that if we join two shapes, add the figure. If we subtract something, cut something out, subtract the areas, right? So this is how these are the four topics divided over here. And right now we are over here. Tomorrow you'll be getting your last sessions, that is a probability as well. Everything has been completed. If you have missed any out of these, definitely go and check out those videos. All the important questions for your term one we have already completed in this. Okay, there's the session for your physics, chemistry, biology, SST as well as English. ठीक है बच्चों? All right. So before I move ahead, please don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. To all those students who are new over here, and we will be just a second, huh? And now we'll be moving ahead. ठीक है? So this was your homework question, guys. This I gave you as a homework question in the previous class. ठीक है? So how do you solve it? Remember, I gave you the hint for this already. We have solved a similar question. I have told you that inside the square root it is a plus b, a minus b. It is best to start with rationalization. So if I rationalize the first one, okay, if I rationalize the first one, square root of 1 plus sine theta upon square root of 1 minus sine theta is there. So I will just rationalize. Here in the denominator we have 1 minus sine theta. I'll multiply with 1 plus sine theta, and here also I'll multiply with 1 plus sine theta. ठीक है? So it is going to be square root of 1 plus, sorry, no. So it is going to be square root of 1 plus sine theta whole square divided by a minus b, sorry, divided by a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So 1 minus sine square theta. So if we'll see over here, guys, this will become square root of 1 plus sine theta whole square divided by what we have, 1 minus sine square theta will be cos square theta. ठीक है? So guys, what it will become, 1 plus sine theta whole square will be 1 plus sine theta, and since square root is there, square and square root will be cancelled, and cos square theta out of the square root will come as upon cos theta, right? Easy. Similarly, if I rationalize this beta, square root of 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta if we have, so this time we'll rationalize with 1 minus sine theta, right? Because it depends upon the denominator. So this will become square root of 1 minus sine theta whole square, and again a plus b to a minus b is 1 minus sine square theta, right? So again, which will become square root of 1 minus sine theta whole square upon 1 minus sine square theta will be cos square theta. So if we get rid of the square root and perfect square, so it will be 1 minus sine theta upon cos theta, right? Now beta, we need to add these two. Let's add these two. So if I add 1 plus sine theta upon cos theta plus 1 minus sine theta upon cos theta, on adding, what will be getting beta? 1 plus sine theta plus 1 minus sine theta. Cos theta is your common denominator. Sine theta minus sine theta got cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 2 upon cos theta. Cos theta is in reciprocal. We can write as 2 sec theta. ठीक है? Alright. So the simplest form for this expression will be 2 sec theta or 2 upon cos theta. ठीक है. So easy question देखो, don't be afraid by looking at the size of this question, it's very easy. All right, easy. ठीक है बच्चों, चलो let's move ahead now. Let's start with today's topic. So the first question, now remember, as I have told you in each and every class over here, the best way to watch these videos will be what? Pause the video, solve all the questions on your own, give yourself mark and see by the end how many marks you have got. Once you have solved the question on your own, mark your answer, then see the solution whether you have got the correct answer or not. If you get correct mark, give yourself 1 mark. If it is not, give yourself 0. And at the end of the session, see out of 10 how many marks you have got. That way it will be an amazing session, because the best questions from a particular topic you have taken in the form of a test, and definitely that will require self study. So that's like doing the double work in a single time. Okay, that's how it is important. So let's start with the first question. Pause the video over here and solve this question on your own and then see the solution. So area of a circular ring formed by the two concentric circles whose radius are 5.7 centimeter and 4.3 centimeter. So guys, we know four concentric circles are there. Area of circular ring will be what? Area of the outer circle minus area of inner circle. So let's say this is capital R, and if it is small r, the formula is pi into capital R square minus small r square, right? So I can write as pi into capital R plus R into capital R minus R, a square minus b square. So this will be 22 by 7 into, here I can say 5.7 plus 4.3 into 5.7 minus 4.3. So this will be 22 by 7, 5.7 plus 4.3. So 5 plus 4, 9.7.3, 10. 5.7 minus 4.3, so 7 minus 3 is 1.4. Alright, so this will get cancelled. 0.2 times 0.2 into 10 is 2. 2 into 22 is 44 centimeter square. Easy. So you can see the calculations are comparatively easy for this. है ना? Calculations are easy. ठीक है? Direct formula, circular ring, got it? Clear है? Now देखो, you might also go कि sir 5.7 whole square you'll do, then 4.3 centimeter whole square you're doing, and then putting the value. You can do by that way also. Answer will be same at the end, but this is an easier way to solve because you are doing cancellation. ठीक है? This is the easier way to solve it. Okay, next one देखो यहाँ पे. In a circle of radius 14 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 45 degree at the center. Area of the sector. Again, pause the video. Now guys, this is a direct question. This is a direct question. Radius is given, central angle is given, area of sector. I can say area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square, which means 45 by 360 into pi into r square, 14 into 14. ठीक है, so I can say sir it is 45 ones and 90, so it is 8 times. 7 ones are 7 twos are, all right, 2 ones are 2 4 times, and here I can say 2 twos are 2 11 times, and here 7 times. 11 into 7 at the end we are left with 11 into 7, which is 77 centimeter square. Done. देख लो, cancellation if you'll do, it will be very easy. So 77 centimeter square will be your correct answer. Okay, next one. देखो, अब again this is a question which is comparatively easy. I'll keep it in the easy category, है ना? In given figure, O is the center of this circle. O is what? Center of this circle. Area of sector OAPB. Area of sector OAPB. That means, let me use a bright colored pen. That means we are talking about this sector. Area of this sector OAPB is 5 by 36 times the area of circle. 5 by 36 times the area of the circle. What is the value of x? So I can say area of this sector. ठीक है? Area of this sector is given as 5 by 36 times the area of circle, which is pi r square. And we know area of the sector formula is x central angle divided by 360 into pi r square. So it is equal to 5 by 36 into pi r square. Pi r square got cancelled. Here I guess 36 on the 36 10 times. Shift 10 over there. X is equal to 10 into 5. 50 degrees. Easy. So x is equal to what? 50 degrees. Option A will be your correct answer. ठीक है बच्चों, ऑप्शन ए इज योर करेक्ट आंसर. लेट्स गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाँ, in the adjoining figure OABC is a square of side 7 centimeter. OABC is a square of side 7 centimeter. OAC is a quadrant of a circle with O as center. OAC is a quadrant. ठीक है, quadrant means what? 1/4 of a circle. That means this is a 90-degree angle, right? All of us know. ठीक है, एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड रीजन, दिस शेडेड रीजन एरिया. तो यार देखो, आई कैन से इट्स लाइक फ्रॉम द स्क्वायर इफ आई कट दिस क्वाड्रेंट आउट, from this square if I cut this quadrant out, I'll be left with the remaining area. So I can say, sir, here the required area will be what? Area of square minus area of the sector or the quadrant. So area of square will be what beta? Area of square is 7 square, side is 7 centimeters, so 7 square minus area of quadrant 90 by 360, which is 1 by 4 times of pi into r square. All right, so 7 square is 49 minus, here I guess 7 to 7 got cancelled, 2s are 11s are 11 to 7 minus 77 by 2, take LCM, 49 to the 98 minus 77 by 2, which is equal to 21 by 2, which is equal to 10.5 and centimeters or centimeter square. ठीक है, so the answer for this will be what? 10.5 centimeter square. It is your option A. ठीक है बच्चों, option A will be your correct answer. All right, option A हमारा correct answer हो गया. Done. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट वन देखो. What is the area of corresponding major segment of a circle of radius 28 centimeter and central angle is 45 degree? अब देखो बेटा, in this question try to understand like this. We know when central angle is acute, it is representing what? Even like when the central angle is less than 180 degree, it is representing a minor sector, right? If the central angle is more than 180 degree, that means when we have a reflex angle, in that case we'll say we have a major sector, right? So here angle is 45 degree, that means we are talking about the minor sector, something like this. ठीक है, this angle is 45 degree. Now they are not asking the area of this minor sector, they are asking you area of this major sector. All right, where radius is 28. So I know very well beta that, sir, देखो, there are two ways. One is area of circle minus the area of the sector, minor sector, or if it is 45 degree remaining central angle, you can find out and directly use the formula. ठीक है, so I can say area of corresponding major segment. Let's say I'm using area of circle minus area of minor sector. ठीक है, area of circle will be pi r square, so pi into r square. All right, minus minor sector area will be theta by 360 into pi into r square. Theta by 360, this is 1 jar, this is 8 times. So finally you can see it is pi into 45 square minus pi by 8 into 45 square. So if we take pi into 45 square common, we are left with 1 minus 1 upon 8. Take LCM, 1 minus 1 upon 8 is 7 upon 8. So pi is 22 by 7 into 45 into 45, and here we have 7 upon 8. This 7 to 7 got cancelled. I can say this is 11 times, this is 4 times. So 11 like, oh, why I'm writing 45 here? My mistake. Yeah, and instead of radius I'm using angle. Sorry, I didn't read the question carefully. It is 28. ठीक है, 28 आई है. चलो, let's replace the value with 28. 28 square, 28, 28, 28, 28. So it will be 28 into 28. Now I can clearly say 4 ones are 4 sevens are, right? So 11 into 28 into 7, if you will solve it at the end, what will be getting? 2156. ठीक है, 2156 centimeter square. All right, clear है? multiplication so you can do. Simple. Now other way which I was telling you, what you can do is देखो, see, since we know in a circle, if this angle is 45 degree, let's say this angle is 45 degree, I can say, sir, the remaining angle, the angle which will be subtended by the major sector will be 360 degree minus 45, which is nothing but 315 degrees. After that, you can directly apply the formula 315 degrees divided by 360 into pi into r square, which is 28. Oh, sorry, which is 28 into 28. All right. Now, देखो, this will be 45 sevens are. This is 45 eights are. So 7 by 8 times of same thing you'll get. Okay. So answer will remain same. There won't be any changes. All right. This is another way of solving it. ठीक है, क्लियर है, both the ways clear. Either you can do area of circle minus area of minor sector, that is one of the way of doing it, area of circle minus area of minor sector. Or the other way of solving it would be that from the area, if suppose the angle for the minor sector is, let's say, 45 degrees, so we will say angle for the major sector will be 360 minus 45, which is 315 degrees. ठीक है बच्चों. All right, now let's move ahead. But before I move ahead, guys, if you are facing any of the following issues, say your doubts are not being cleared on time, conceptual clarity is not there, all right, questions and assignments are not, you are not getting, you don't know where to practice, syllabus is lagging, any of these problems, guys, Vedantu is the one stop solution for all of these problems. Because first thing, they know all your doubts will be resolved in the class, as well as even after the class also, with the help of class teachers present in the class, and after the class, if you have access to Vedantu's doubts app. Okay, so you don't have to worry about your doubts. Next thing, all the concept will be taught in detail, because you know your math teachers at Vedantu, they are amazing in the teaching, and they'll make sure each and every concept is taught in detail. Then all the questions and assignments will be provided to you, so that you don't have to buy, say, this book, that book, everything at one place. Everything will provide you. You don't have to go for any other book after that. All right, syllabus will be completed on time along with your revision plan. We'll do your revision as well. We have done revision in all our term 1 batches right now. We have revised the term 1 topics, and anything language you prefer. If you prefer Hindi batches, you can go for Hindi, where the mode of communication will be in Hindi, and you can go for English batches as well if you prefer English as the mode of communication. Okay. All right, so that's a really good course, guys. You get unlimited classes, all the whole syllabus will be completed. Even you get the notes as well, that too in the handwriting of math teachers. All right, doubts will be cleared. You get assignments, mock test will also be there, so that you can see where do you actually stand, है ना? How many marks you're getting, where you're making mistake, which area is good, where you are facing issues, how to improve those, tips sessions, and also micro courses. Thousands of micro courses are there, with the help of which you can study a topic as many times as you want, and also you can revise a topic as many times as you want, and that too you don't have to pay anything extra, right? So you can register through the link which is mentioned in the description box of this video, as well as in the pinned comment. Just don't forget, the coupon code is GPE Pro to get 10% off. The coupon code is GPE Pro to get 10% off. All right, ठीक है, चलो, let's look at the next question. अच्छा, before I go ahead, let me show you ना how you can register. That would be a easier way, right? So that you'll get to know how to register. So registration is very easy, guys. You just have to go to, say, either in the pinned comment here, see the links are given, avail all exciting Vedantu courses, है ना? Or even in the description box as well, if you'll come over here, see, avail all exciting Vedantu courses. So the best course right now, the hottest course right now, is the Term 1 crash course. So when you click on the first link, that will directly take you to the Term 1 crash course page. If you want to see what are the courses available for grade 10th, click there on change, and here you have seen IOQM booster crash course, NTSE crash course. This is Term 1, Term 2 is the long term course. All right, then foundation courses, Maharashtra board, ICSE boards, and as well as Term 1 crash course also. So we are looking for Term 1 crash course. Now as we look at Term 1 crash course, guys, you can see after applying this coupon code GPE Pro over here, the prices have been reduced, and right now Pro Lite is available at rupees 2700, in which all the features you'll be getting, and Pro Classic has one more extra feature, that is doubt solving on mobile app after applying GPE Pro, and the price is 3150. And guys, let me tell you this thing, this price is for all the subjects. It's not like only one subject or like that. It is for all the subjects. The whole syllabus for your term 1 will be completed in this. So that's a really good course. You can definitely join this, and definitely you will see improvement in your marks. All right, chalo, next question देखो. What this question says, in given figure arcs are drawn by vertices a, b and c. So these are the arcs of an equilateral triangle. So बच्चों देखो, first thing we got to know, if it is an equilateral triangle, all these angles are going to be 60 degree. So central angle for all these sectors we got to know, right? And equilateral triangle of side 10 centimeter. If it is of side 10 centimeter, beta देखो, intersect BC, C and AB to their respective midpoints D, E and F. So if these are the midpoints, I can say all these are of radius 5 centimeters. All these are of radius 5 centimeter. Correct beta? What is the area of the shaded region? What will be your area of the shaded region? ठीक है, so options are given in this, points में है, take pi as 3.14. so area of the shaded region means here the shaded region is these three sectors, है ना? These three are shaded. So shaded region means what? Area of all the three sectors. So now I can say the required area is nothing but area of three sectors. What it is, beta? I will say all, since all the sectors are exactly same, just find out area of any one and multiply it with 3. So 3 times of the area of any one sector will be theta, which is 60 by 360 into pi, we have to take it as 3.14 into radius, which is 5, so 5 square, right? ठीक है, so it will be 61 66 3 1 3 2 3.14 into 525. So at the end it will be 3.14 into 25 by 2. When you'll solve this, what you'll be getting, guys, and at the end 3 times of this, 3 times of 25 pi by 6 है ना, so 1 by 2 is there, 3 1 3 2 so finally you are getting 39.25. ठीक है, this value will be 39.25 centimeter square. ठीक है, so it is very important कि भाई shaded region, which one is the shaded region? What many students assume कि oh, shaded region means this middle one will be there, but this question was easier one, only asked the area of these three sectors. हाँ, if they would have asked the area which is present in the middle, area of this would have been area of all the three sectors, area of the triangle minus this sector, area of all the three sectors, but it has not been asked, so we'll not find it out. All right, so it is very important what question is asking, to read what the question is asking and then solving it further. ठीक है, all right, so I've told you the next step as well, what question might be there. Okay, now assertion and reason question. देखो, first one, the length of the minute hand of a clock is 7 centimeter. Okay, length of the minute hand of a clock is 7 centimeter. Then the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes is 12.5 by 6 centimeter square. अब देखो बेटा, I know this will require some calculation. ठीक है, let's read the reason first. What if I got to know that reason is wrong? I don't even have to solve the first one, because if any one of them is wrong, other one must be correct. Reason is saying length of an arc of a sector of angle theta and radius r is given by theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So reason is the correct statement. Length of arc is what? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So let's solve the assertion. Now assertion में length of minute hand is 7 centimeter, so radius is 7 centimeter. Area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. तो बेटा देखो, we know in 60 minutes the minute hand covers 360 degrees. So in 1 minute how much degree it will cover? In 1 minute it will be 360 by 60, which is 6 degrees. Every minute the minute hand rotates 6 degrees. So in 5 minutes how much it will rotate? I will say 5 into 6, which is 30 degree. So when the minute hand rotates by 5 minutes, you know, when it will be say moving by 5 minutes, the angle from the starting position till the end will be what? 30 degrees. So theta is 30 degrees. 30 degrees, right? What they are asking, area. So area of sector, area of sector is theta by 360 into pi into r square. 7 to 7 got cancelled. 30 ones are 30, 12s are. Alright. This is 11 times, this is 6 times. So I get 11 into 7 is 77 by 6. If we'll divide it, 6 ones are, okay, remainder 1, and 6 twos are 12. Remainder is 5, 12, 5 by 6 centimeter square, and that is the correct one. Alright, so assertion is also correct. Now, is it the correct explanation? Is the reason correct explanation? No, because I have used the area of sector, which is theta by 360 pi r square, and here they are asking, giving me length of the arc. So I will say, no sir, it is not the correct explanation. Correct explanation nahi hai. Correct explanation would have been that the area of the sector of a circle is theta by 360 to pi r square. That would have been the correct explanation, but not this one. Okay, so option B will be your correct answer. So major important thing over here is that understanding this, that every 1 minute the angle moved by the minute hand is 6 degrees. Okay, so in 5 minutes the angle will be 30 degrees. This finding out angle is the important point over here. All right, and how do we find it out? One complete revolution is 60 minutes. So 60 minutes means 360 degrees. 1 minute will mean 6 degrees only. All right, ठीक है बच्चों, चलो next question देखते हैं. Let's look at the next question. What it says, a bicycle wheel makes 5,000 revolutions in covering 11 kilometer. All right. Then diameter of the wheel is 35 centimeter. Reason area of segment of a circle is theta by 360 into pi r square. ठीक है, तो देखो bicycle of the wheel makes 5,000 revolutions, ठीक है, in covering 11 kilometer. Then the diameter, so we have to find out the diameter. Distance is what? 5,000 revolution they are completing in 11 kilometers. So guys, we know that when the wheel rotates, it rotates on its circumference, है ना? So in one revolution, distance covered, I can say distance covered in one revolution will be equal to 2 pi r, right? Distance covered in one revolution is what? 2 pi r. So guys, I can say so distance covered in 5,000 revolution, distance covered in 5,000 revolution will be 2 pi r into 5,000. 2 pi r into 5,000. ठीक है, अब बेटा यहाँ पे try to understand what it is. Let's find out the diameter. तो यहाँ पे we can first find out the radius. They have told that in this much time it has covered a distance of 11 kilometers. So 11 kilometer I can write as 11,000 meters. 11 kilometer is 11,000 meters. So I will say 11,000 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is how much? Radius we need to find out into 5,000. 5,000 revolution. Zeros to zeros got cancelled. Let's say R will be equal to 11 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 5. 11 ones are 11 twos are, right? And are we making some mistake? Let's see. ठीक है, so 2 into 5 is 10, 7 by 2 it is very less. अच्छा, हाँ meters, हाँ correct. So it is going to be 2, 7 by 2 is 3.5 or 7 by R is nothing but 7 upon 2 into 2 is 4 by 20, 7 by 20. So 3.5, 0.35. So it is 0.35 meters. And if we multiply it with 100, 0.35 into 100, then it will become centimeter, which is 35 centimeters. Chalo. So we got to know radius is 35 centimeter. Diameter will be what, beta? Diameter will be 70 centimeters. So I will say nahi sir, first wala is not correct. And second, area of segment of a circle is theta by 3. Reason is also wrong. Both are wrong. Maybe I think there is some typing. Acha, here it is 70. Okay. That's what I was thinking here. How can both be wrong? Okay. बच्चों, some changes I will do. A little change. ठीक है. Instead of writing it as 35 centimeters, है ना? We'll keep it what? We'll keep it 70. So that our question will be correct. ठीक है. Diameter is, let's say, given to you 70 centimeters. Okay, so now I can say assertion is true, reason is false, because it is not the area of segment but सेक्टर का एरिया है ना। देखो अब देखो क्विकली व्हाट हैपेंस इज समटाइम्स कि यार ऐसा मिस्टेक है, बट जनरली इन बोर्ड पेपर इट विल नॉट बी देयर, बट व्हाट मेनी स्टूडेंट्स माइट डू कि दे विल नॉट रीड सेगमेंट केयरफुली, दे विल सी कि अरे यार रीजन इज गिवन करेक्ट, है ना। तो these kind of mistakes are tend to happen. All right, so please think carefully. So assertion is correct, reason is false, assertion is true, reason is false. Option C will be your correct answer. ठीक है, here also we'll say 70 centimeters. Assertion is true, reason is false. Clear है बेटा? All right, चलो now let's go for our case study based question. ठीक है, case study based question what it is saying. Let's see. A barn is an agricultural building usually on farms and used for various purposes. ठीक है. A barn refers to structure that houses livestock including cattle, horses as well as equipment for of ठीक है. Main thing. Ramgaran want to build a barn at his farm. ठीक है भाई. He has made the design for it which is shown here. ठीक है. देखो design is made. Here roof is arc of a circle of radius r at the center O. ठीक है. So this roof is the arc with the radius center O. So these two are your radius. Now see, OF is given as 4, AF is given as 4, FC is also given as 4. Here to here it is 4, here to here it is 4, and here to here also it is 4. This is given as 8, obviously. And this total is given as 8. So it is a square. The bottom part is a square, and on the top we have something curved circles part over there. Okay. First thing, what is the value of radius of the arc? What will be the value of the radius of the arc? अब बेटा देखो इसमें ना थोड़ा सा grade 9th का grade 9 circle topic you need to remember. We know that देखो OF AC is a chord. Can you all see? If ABC is a arc, I can say AC is a chord. If AC is a chord, I can say AF is given equal to CF. Both are 4 centimeter. That means F is midpoint of AC. And guys, we know that if we join the midpoint of a chord with the center of the circle, the line will be perpendicular to the chord, है ना. What, remember, perpendicular from center bisect the chord. Its converse was line joining midpoint of the center of a circle, midpoint of a chord with the center of the circle will be perpendicular to the chord. ठीक है. All right, so I can say since F is the midpoint of AC, we can say OF will be perpendicular to AC. OF will be perpendicular to AC. So here this angle is 90 degree. Now if this angle is 90, I can say AF is 4, OF is also 4. Easily we can use Pythagoras theorem. I can say, sir, in triangle AFO, AO square is equal to AF square plus OF square, which is 4 square plus 4 square, which is 16 plus 16, which is 32. AO square is 32. AO will be 4 root 2 centimeters. Easy, eh? AO will be what beta? 4 root 2 centimeters. Clear? So our correct answer over here will be 4 root 2. So what is the important point over here? Remember that if we join the midpoint of a chord with the center of the circle, that line will be perpendicular to the chord. Again guys, I will tell you, for especially for areas related to circles, sometimes the question can be where the theorems which you have studied in grade 9 will be useful. Okay, so definitely revise grade 9th topic circle, especially revise that. Okay, chalo next one. 4 root 2 is your answer. Next, what is the area of cross section of barn? That means cross section of barn means what? If you look at the barn in this way, this complete area they are asking, A, B, C, D, E. ठीक है. So guys, I can say, sir, area of A, B, C, D, E will be equal to area of A, C, D, E, area of square A, C, D, E plus area of segment A, B, C. Yes or no? Can you see over here or not कि बच्चा party, if suppose if I add in the area of this square, ठीक है, this square I have taken, I will add the area of this square with the area of this segment, so I will get the complete area. Yes or no? I will be getting the complete area. Clear? ठीक है? Is it okay बेटा? Clear है? So area of square तो everybody knows, side is 8, so it will be 8 square plus area of segment ABC. अब area of segment क्या होता है बेटा? Area of sector minus area of triangle. So what is the angle over here? That is also one thing, right? What is the theta? We don't know what is theta. We don't know what is theta. अब देखो वो theta निकालना ना very easy. Theta you can find out very easily. I'll take some space over here only. ठीक है. अब देखो बेटा one thing. Since OF and these two triangles are same, I can say this angle is right angle. These two angles both will be equal. So this angle is 45 degree. Similarly, this angle will also be 45 degree. Right? Correct. And similarly, beta, here this will also be 90 degree. This angle will be, these two are again equal. Isosceles triangle, if it is 45, this is also 45. So complete angle at the center will be 45 plus 45, 90 degree. Okay. So this is nothing but a quadrant. This is nothing but a quadrant, and this angle is also 90 degree. So I can say, sir, area of sector minus area of triangle. So 8 square is 64. Area of sector will be 90 by 360 into pi into r square. Radius square is what beta? 4. Radius is, sorry, 4 root 2. So 4 root 2 into 4 root 2 minus area of triangle. अब देखो, if I take AC as my base, OF will be height. So half into base into height. So it will be 64 plus 90 by 1, 360 is 1 upon 4 into 22 by 7 into 4 root 2 into 4 root 2. ठीक है, 4 to 4 got cancelled, and root 2 into root 2 will become 2. 2 into 4 is 8 into 22 upon 7. So something in the decimal it will be there. And here we have half. AC is 8 into OF is 4. 4 times. So it will be 64 plus 4 root 2 into root 2 is 8. 8 into 22 will be equal to 176 by 7 minus 4 4s are 16. Finally simplify this. When you simplify this, acha, pi we can take common yaar. Always look at the options. Always look at the options first. Options mein pi is taken common, so why I am simplifying it? Doesn't require me to solve it. है ना? It doesn't require that. So it's a 64 plus this is 1 za, this is 4 za, है ना? And 4 to 4 got cancelled. So I will say root 2, 4 root 2, 8. 8 pi. And here I have told you minus AC is 8, OF is 4. 4 into 4 is 16. So 8 pi, we have 8 pi 64 plus 8 pi minus 16, which is equal to 64 minus 16 is what? 48. 48 plus 8 pi. Take 8 common. What you're left with? 8 6 plus pi. 8 times of 6 plus pi. 8 times of 6 plus pi. Option A will be your correct answer. Okay? So the area of this complete thing will be area of the square plus the area of the segment. Clear guys? Area of the square plus the area of segment. So this is how we have got the correct answer. And with this we have finished this topic as well. Very good questions I have done. I am giving you one question for your homework. Do let me know what will be the answer for this homework question in the chat box, and also let me know yaar, how many marks you are getting. If you have taken this as a test, out of 10 how many questions you were able to solve correctly. All right, and yes, let me know what will be the answer for this question, because this I'll be solving in the next class. All right बच्चों, ठीक है. So this is all from my side. Next session, last session, probability will be doing, है ना? चलो भाई, तो thank you so much guys, and please don't forget to go to the link which is mentioned in the description box, and definitely save your money by applying GP Pro. Best course right now is Grade 10th term 1 crash course, amazing price, very less price you are getting, and amazing results you're going to get with those prices. ठीक है बच्चों, so that is all in today's class. Please don't forget to like this video before you go, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel if you're new here. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Sayonara. Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.